Hi everyone. Yes, today I will share with you how to prepare a delicious homemade mango ice cream recipe. Stay with us until the end to discover all the tips and secrets of mango ice cream recipe. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of mango, 100 grams of sugar, water 50 milliliters, 250 milliliters of milk or cream of milk. As you may have noticed, the ingredients to use are very few. Now that they are ready, let's take a list of the steps to make a delicious mango ice cream recipe. Preparation: 1. Prepare the syrup with sugar and 50 milliliters of water. Heat it until the sugar dissolves, but without it coming to boil. Let cool. 2. Remove the pulp from the mango seed. We can do it with the knife or with a spoon, and crush it in the chopper or blender. 3. Mix the warm syrup with the mango puree. At the same time add the cream. Put this mixture in a metal mold and cover with transparent film. 4. Now we must keep it in the freezer until the base has frozen. 5. After it has frozen, we must remove it and beat it very well in the blender, in order to break the ice crystals that have formed. 6. Finally, we must take it to the refrigerator again to freeze it until it is time to serve it. Now enjoy the delicious yummy mango ice cream. Thank you guys for watching mango ice cream recipe. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new videos.